Welcome to cabin 14788 on the NCL Prima, located on deck 14. This room features two twin beds that can be converted into a queen-size bed, a sitting area, and a private balcony, perfect for enjoying ocean views. The bathroom includes a spacious shower with modern finishes, offering both comfort and convenience during your cruise. It's a great option for anyone looking for a functional and relaxing stateroom on the Prima. If you have any questions about this cabin or the NCL Prima, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more cruise tours and travel tips.